everyone, welcome back for another video. For today's video, I'm going to watch, it na, Dopamine ng Eunice, one of my favorite younger groups in K-pop. I've followed them from Universal Ticket, and this is actually one of my favorite songs from their first album, yung Dopamine. Anyways, we're gonna watch this one. I've heard na Dopamine, but I haven't watched this particular performance, mega concert. I don't know where it is, but they were in purple, and I love purple, so let's try to watch it. Ganda ng damit nila, grabe. Ang ganda ng damit nila lagi. Oops. Can we repeat it again? I'm sorry. I just wanna see the cover. Wait. Oh my god, ang ganda ni Yuna. She looks like an angel. Ang ganda ni Yuna. Yuna won that. Dadamitan today. Charot. Ang ganda. Cute ni Mikoto. But it's ano ba yung dala ni Jelly? Bag ba yun? Or fur coat? It looks like a bag. Is it a bag? Looks like a bag. Parang malalaglag yung mic ni Yuna. Super trip ko din tong pants ni Yunju. Yes. These were the times I was hoping they'd give more lines to Jelly. And anyways, fast forward, ito ng second album, medyo madami na siyang lines. I can't wait for more lines, no? Sana i-highlight man lang siya for the bridge or something. But, yeah. nakaka-disturb yung usok dito. Baka, baka kung ako, baka naubo na ako. Medyo hindi sila makagalaw masyado, no? Just because of this, how the stage were designed. Yan, no? Medyo maliit yung stage. Cute nung furry bag ni Jelly. Love it. I love the fits though. I love the outfit. Ano ba yan? Super love ko yung outfit nila here, but ang liit ng stage, parang nahirapan ako sa kanilang mag-perform. Yes, ako nahirapan, charot. Parang nahirapan ako dun saan hindi sila makapag-formation na maayos, but yeah. I still love the song. I love their outfit. But by far, sa dopamine na performance na napanood ko, yung naka ano sila, parang naka black and white na school uniform na medyo rock yung yung pinaka-favorite ko pa rin na video. Sobrang wala silang problem with the stage. It's their own comfort zone, but yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys liked it. If you guys recommend any of the Eunice song or performance, let me know in the comment section. I can look for it and react to it. Marami pa ako hindi napapanood na live performance nila, so I'm exploring that part. Anyways, ayun lang. I hope you guys like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until our next video. Bye!